Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this running start Sudoku by Bill Murphy. This was featured on Sudoku Mahabharat, and this variant is basically it's a thermo Sudoku. So such a number means that those four digits are in ascending order, but not those five digits, which means that we can place a thermometer like this and a thermometer in the other direction here. And here we have a thermo of length 5 and another here of length 5, which means, by the way, that this digit is necessarily a 9. This is the biggest digit in the column, and that one which can't be on this thermometer must be at the start of this other one. And then we have a thermometer of length 3 here, and obviously this one prevents us from continuing. There's a one here, and a thermometer in the other direction, like this, and a thermo the other way, so like this, here, like this, and one like this, which places a 9 right here. And then another thermometer here and a thermometer in the other direction like this and like this. And I think that now that I've placed all thermometers, this is really thermo Sudoku, basically. Now let's see where 9 goes in this box. It's not here, obviously. It can't be here because this is bigger than all of that. Can't be here for the same reason. So that's a 9. And we get the 9 in here in this box. It can't be here. So 9 will be on one of those two cells in this area. And by the way, the 1 can't be here because this is bigger than 5. This is actually 6 or 7, and this is 7 or 8, and 1 goes there. Sorry about the coughing. This here is ascending. Only one digit is missing, so we have only 1 degree of freedom, so this should be 2 or 3. Oops. 3 or 4, 4 or 6, and this can be any one of those digits. Which means that 7 and 8 are in this area, but 8 can't be anywhere there, because this can't be between 8 and 9, so 8 goes there, and it places the 9 here, and 7 is here, and it places the 8 there, so that's a 7, that's a 6, 4, 3, and 2, and 7 there, and 8 here. Now 2, 3, and 4 are not here, so they must be on the other side of the thermo, and this is 5 and 6. Those are ascending, so they are 4, 5, and 6. This can only be a 7 now, that's a 2. This is from 8 and 9, but 9 is not available. Now, where can we look next? 1, 2, 3, so this is at least 4. 5 is not available, so this is at least 6, at least 7, but it can't be more than 7, so those digits are correct. Here we need 3, 8, and 9, so that's a 3 here, 8 and 9 there. Three by the rules of Sudoku goes there. This is from 1 and 2. We have a 5 and an 8 in here. 9 can't be here on the thermo, so it's here. We are left with 1, 4, and 5. So this is 1 or 4, 4 or 5, any one of those 3. The last 9 in the grid is here. 4 goes somewhere in here. Not sure exactly where. So those are from 1, 2, and 5. So that's just some Sudoku to be done. There's a 4 here. Oh, so this, if this is 4, then this is 4. If 4 is here, then this is 5. So this is 4, all 5. And this is from 1, 2, and 4. 7 can't be here because 8 is not available. So 7 is there. This row needs an 8. It can only be here. And we get the 8 up there. Those are from 1, 2, and 5. 5 is in here. So those are from 1, 2, and 4. Which gives us a 1, 2, 4 triple here. And it means that this is at least 5. And this is at least 6. So they are actually 5 and 6. This is 4. This is 5. 2 is not in here, so 2 is there. These are 1 and 3, like this. That's a 6. Down there we get 2, 3, and 7. 3 goes there. This is a 2, 7 there. 2 is not in here. This column still needs a 6. 6 couldn't be here because no 7 is available to get between them. 7 is not here, it goes there. That's a 2. So this is from 1, 2, and 5, but 5 wouldn't work. Nothing could go in between, and that's not the 1, so that's a 2. 1, 5, and 2. This is a 5. The column needs 1, 4, and 5. Yes, that's a 5, 1, 4, 5. That's a 4, that's a 1. That's a 4, that's a 1, that's a 4. So now this, here I need 6 and 9, so 9 and 6 like this. And we get 6 and 9 there, and that's 8. Here we need 2 and 5, so 2 and 5 like this. By the way, that's a 7. And we finish it all with 1, 2, and 8. So 8 here, 1 here, 2 there. And no fireworks because this is the interface that was given for the contest, which does not confirm that you have the correct solution. So this was a very nice puzzle on the easier side of the variants in this round of Mahabharat, but it's a good thing that there are both easy and hard puzzles. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.